Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our barely owned 2019 Toyota Corolla. This is the LE trim. Has just over 19,000 kilometers on it. It's barely broken in. Has a black exterior, black cloth interior. It's a 5-passenger, 4-door, small size sedan. It has a clean car proof and a DCUV warranty. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto on the driver's side. There's power locks. Driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. Has power adjustable mirrors. Windshield wiper deicer. That helps with the clog up of ice underneath your wipers in the wintertime. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic adjustable. And you have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. You also get the dynamic radar cruise control, the pre-collision system, and lane departure alert, and auto high beams. That's part of Toyota Safety Sense. And then you have a multi-information display screen. So your range left on the gas tank, your average speed, time, vehicle settings, meter settings, average fuel economy. That's the dynamic radar cruise control. Also gives you the outside temperature. It's a digital clock, makes it really easy to change the hour. It's 4-way flashers, touchscreen display with the backup camera. For the audio, you get AM/FM radio. It's Bluetooth and MP3 compatible, and has a CD player. Auto climate control settings, including air conditioning, rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors. Save your temperature here, your fan speed here, and your different modes here. Underneath the dash, you have heated front seats, USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt accessory outlet, CVT transmission, traction control, good sized glove box with a tray, rear view mirror, and your interior lights. They're 16-inch steel wheels with wheel covers. You get keyless entry. The trunk release on the key fob. A very spacious trunk. The back seat is a 60-40 split if you need more room. There's power windows, water bottle holders in the doors, pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Get side curtain airbags, anchor points for the child car seats, and they get a center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The exterior mirrors are heated and power adjustable. It's an automatic LED headlight system. Has the 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine. Come see our barely owned 2019 Toyota Corolla LE at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.